We are currently on the Create New User tab of the User Profiles page. Here, you can manually add a new user. The user will be notified by email once their profile has been created. Before creating a new user, you can enable or disable this option. When selecting the Basic Info Only option, you'll need to provide essential information about the user, including their username, password, along with its expiration date, role, status, time zone, name, and email. If you deactivate this option, additional fields will become visible, which include External ID, Employee ID, Groups. To create a new user, do the following. Enter a username that must be unique for each user. The username can contain lower and uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters, but must not contain spaces. Usernames are case sensitive. You can choose whether the user's password should be created manually or generated. If you choose Manually Inserted, enter the password and confirm the entered password. If you choose Generated, the system will generate a password and provide it to the user via email. Here you can set the expiration date, after which the password must be renewed. Set the user's role in the system. The system role represents a set of permissions determining their access to various application parts. You can choose between the predefined roles or define your security role with desired permissions on the Roles and Permissions page. Possible user statuses include active, suspended, locked. Active status allows users to log into the system with their username and password. It also serves to reactivate an account. Suspended status prevents users from logging in until a user with specific permissions reactivates their account. However, their results and data will remain visible in the application and will be included in the statistics. When their account is reactivated, users receive an email notification confirming the activation and providing them with a new password. Locked status indicates that a user is required to change their password during their next login. Upon changing the password, the system will automatically transition their status from locked to active. Set the time zone in which the information containing the date and time will be displayed. Set the proffered interface language. Set the proffered language in tests. Here, you can enter a unique external ID identifier. This identifier can be utilized for integration with other external systems. Employee ID is a unique identifier used to distinguish employees within an organization. Here, you can assign a new user to the user groups. Click this button, select all groups from this page, or select one by one. Click this button to confirm assigning a new user to the user groups. Enter the first name. Enter the middle name. Enter the last name. Enter the user's email address. If a custom user property has been created, enter the appropriate information. These properties record additional user details, such as department, organization, etc. Import a user's profile image by clicking on this icon. Choose an image from the local library, crop the profile picture, and click the confirmation button. After that, click the close button to exit the window. Once you have provided all the required and preferred information, proceed to finish the creation of a new user by clicking this button. For further information or assistance, please refer to the Help section or watch our instructional videos in the application's top right corner.